The Honda Cadets are the only time we get to see these standing starts, and it is a very different type of animal when it comes to getting the race start good. Eyes on the lights, engine nose will rise, and away we go. Good start there. It looks like from the fourth row of the grid, it looked like perhaps Joshua Patch there having a really good start as they work their way into oblivion for the first time through the crook. Through that small kick straight. The at the front. Round has gone the 54 and the 35 made contact with it. It was Devon Nolan, and oh dearie me, we've had several karts go off there. So it was Devon Nolan and Caleb McDuff who made the contact and got a bit of kart airborne. But that was quite dramatic stuff at the start of the race. We'll try and look at who's been affected by that. But it is who's at the front of this one. It is still Morgan Hill indeed in the 22, and MARGINEAN, who is in second place there. Third is James Bell. No one's getting on the top four have stayed as they were. It's behind them where all the changes, because that's where Devon Nolan fell down. So there's Joshua Patch, Ryutaro Sakai, OWEN-DRAWBRIDGE, BROUGHAM, Rosier, and out the top 10. Those who had dramas, Devon Nolan I mentioned, and Kendrick Duff, Harrison Morrow, Charlie Mills had dramas, Lucy Wilden and Elliot Post. They've all had some kind of drama there, and I think all of them were up at Christmas corner. Meanwhile though, here is a battle between Bell and MARGINEAN, and James Bell has got past Ian Alexandru MARGINEAN there. This is in the battle for second place. Now they have to be careful here because they're going to allow Morgan Hill to get away here if they're not too... Actually no, they've got past Morgan Hill, haven't they? Morgan Hill's there in third place now, so it's now James Bell ahead of MARGINEAN and Morgan Hill, and then Vinny Lloyd, who's very wide still there, in fourth place. Joshua Patch did indeed get a good start. I saw his right hand. You've got this breakaway group of 4, and then a group of 3, which is Joshua Patch, Ryutaro Sakai, and Spencer Brown. And then Bobby Rosier is leading a battle from 8th downwards, which really is just a string of cuts. Here they are as the 6 goes very wide. That's Harley Mason, and he's had a relatively interesting excursion. Glad to have got it back onto the grey stuff. We cut back to the leaders though. James Bell, Ian Alexandru MARGINEAN, Morgan Hill and Vinny Lloyd coming through here. And you know what? Joshua Patch and Ryutaro Sakai are trying to get onto the back of this, and they're taking Spencer Brown with them. I'd almost say it's a breakaway group of 7 now at the front of this one. Let's see here, the top 7 really going out the back. And meanwhile, behind them in the back for 8, that's Casey Lynch getting by Bobby Rosier. So Lynch now up into 8th place. That was a nice move there through Christmas corner as we come back to the leaders, ducking their heads, trying to get any advantage that they can aerodynamically. That's often called shrimping in karting. Do it much better than I have done in the past. I tend to... It has the disadvantage that you can't see where you're going, which is fine on the straight. Unless you're me, in which case I did it once and crashed. But these young drivers doing it far better than I ever have done. That's Patch ahead of Lloyd. Yes it is, Joshua Patch has got past Vinny Lloyd for 4th place. And Spencer Brown has overtaken Ryutaro Sakai as well. So a few changes on that last lap. Just a bit of breathing space now for James Bell. A vast chasm in Honda Cadets that is half a second he now has in hand over this battle over second place between MARGINEAN and Hill. Contact one for Jack Stewart. So he's currently running in 11th place. Look at this, a move there by Spencer Brown on Vinny Lloyd. 11 trying to take the 80. Looked to me like that paid off, but for the lead of the race, yeah, indeed for the lead of the race. There's been a change there. No, sorry. It's James Bell has got so much breathing space actually. There it's Josh Patch getting involved in amongst the second place battle, isn't it? So Morgan Hill's got, what happened there was Hill got past MARGINEAN and then Josh Patch followed through as well. So now it's James Bell, Morgan Hill, Joshua Patch in that 93. And now Margineen is having Spencer Brown go to the inside of him at Christmas corner, and Brown nicely done there, gets the job done in the number 11. So took a few corners for Ian Alexandru Margineen. He's now down 3 places from where he was a lap ago. Sakai there. Also got by Vinny Lloyd, but that is just to say to try and allow that through contact. Stayed as they are. Now I think there's a realisation that these guys have to work together if they're going to stay on top of James Bell. He's out of shot now. And he's up the road now. Starting a new lap. That's the 93 of Joshua Patch going for an overtake on Morgan Hill into oblivion, and he got the job done. Now Morgan Hill's got Spencer Brown on the inside. Meanwhile behind them, Ryutaro Sakai is going up the inside of Margineen. I'm sorry to say Margineen drops another position. Grouping off to clusters of 3 now. You can see the gesture from Morgan Hill to Joshua Patch, or sorry, Patch to Brown to say let's work together here. Got the touch of James Bell. Has got the point advantage. 3.5 minutes plus a lap to go. James Bell your leader, Joshua Patch second now, Spencer Brown in third. Morgan Hill dropped down to fourth on that last lap, and Ryutaro Sakai overtook Margineen. Look at this though, for second place, they're not going to work together. Brown feels he has the better pace, he's going to overtake Joshua Patch. It's the Heat 2 winner overtaking the Heat 1 winner, and now he says, come on, let's work together and get on to James Bell. But he didn't respond in such a lap ago. So one wonders now whether these two are going to work together. Jack Stewart just got past Jack Owen-Drawbridge further down the order to get into the top 10. Will these two now work together? And if they do, can they beat the pace of James Bell and Vinny? On to lap number 9 they go. Spencer Brown now confirmed in second place and sets the fastest lap of the race at 53.69 and has taken half a second out of James Bell. He's taking Joshua Patch with him. This is now working. The teamwork between these two is allowing them to get on to terms with James Bell. Vinny Lloyd, meanwhile, did get past Margineen on that last lap to get to 6th place. So Devon Nolan, by the way, is in the pit time for this race. Brothers, go past 2 minutes plus a lap to go. This traffic could actually play quite well into these second place runners, because James Bell will be the first leader of the season to get past him. Yes, there are blue flags. There's still an element of probably needs to look like a right, which could delay them. And then when second and third place will be less of a back markers that are more aware. But you can see there the Jack continuing, but still back Brown says to Patch, come on, keep working together. Joshua Patch goes along with it, so you can see how the gap is going down. The strategy is getting endorsement by the fact that they are catching to the back. The 21 of James Bell, Bobby ROSIER, and Casey Lynch has got past Vinny Lloyd and the Margineen. Rosier in 7th, Lynch in 7th, Lloyd in 8th, and Margineen in 9th. And we're rightfully seeing how the strategy plays out. This is classic sprint racing stuff. You can see how much the gap has gone down now. It really is beginning to look like a 3-horse race for the win of this one, and the gap has come down significantly by 0.6 of a second, courtesy of the fastest lap of the race and a personal best from Brown and Patch. They are going to do this in terms of at least creating the opportunity for winning this race. It's going to be this lap plus another one, I think. Well, it depends how quickly they do this lap. Yes, I think it is going to be this plus another. And Spencer Brown and Joshua Patch are Heat 2 and Heat 1 winners respectively, and put themselves exactly where they need to be to try and take a second win here. But James Bell has been running really well throughout this race. can he suddenly switch on the defensive driving here? This is going to be really fascinating stuff. First question, are they going to tick on to the final lap this time around? This is exactly how you do sprint racing strategy. BROUGHAM is alongside Bell, side by side into paddock corner, and BROUGHAM's going to take that lead. Does this count as the final lap? Just about. The clock hit 0 there as they cross the line, and behind them you can see good battle going on there for fourth between Sakai and Hill. So it really is, nobody knows where. There's a bit of contact between Bell and BROUGHAM there, but BROUGHAM's going super defensive. Look out for Joshua Patch getting the switch back out of here and getting a bit of overspeed on them through increments and down into Ashby. What's going to happen here? BROUGHAM goes super defensive, and he's going to be at a disadvantage. There's contact, and round goes Bell, but it gets corrected by Patch, and surely that means BROUGHAM has now got the breathing space he needs. Dramatic stuff here on the final lap of the final heat for the day in the Honda Cadets. I think that's going to lend it to Spencer Brown, but there is going to be a hanging question surely over how. I don't think Brown did anything wrong. He was just going defensive there. He did move slightly in the braking zone there, but it didn't, so certainly on a par with other things we've seen today. Brown is going to cross the line to take the win. James Bell finishes second and Joshua Patch in third. And Ryutaro Sakai managed to hold on to fourth place. Morgan Hill in fifth. Casey Lynch takes sixth at the last from Bobby ROSIER there. I think that was a change on the last lap. Vinny Lloyd finishes seventh in Alexandru.